Welcome to our tutorial on how to set up Google Colab to run Python code. I'm Ali. Google Colab is a powerful platform that allows you to run Python code in the cloud. And this tutorial will walk you through the steps to set up and use Google Colab effectively. Let's begin by understanding what Google Colab is and why it's a great choice for running Python code. Google Colab, short for Google Colaboratory, is a free cloud-based platform provided by Google that allows you to write and execute Python code in a web-based environment. Google Colab provides several benefits, including access to powerful hardware, the ability to collaborate with others, and the convenience of cloud-based computing. To get started with Google Colab, you need a Google account. Once you have an account, you can access Colab. Go to colab.research.google.com and sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in Google Colab, you can create a new Python notebook to write and run code. Once you're in Google Colab, you'll notice a box on the main interface that allows you to create a new notebook. This is one of the ways to start a new project. Alternatively, you can click on File in the menu and select a new notebook. You can choose to create a Python 3 notebook or use other languages like R. Now that you have a notebook, let's explore the features and functionality of Google Colab. In a Colab notebook, you work with code cells. Each cell can contain Python code, and you can run individual cells. So here's an example of a code cell. To run the code, click the Run button next to the cell or use the keyboard shortcut Shift-Enter. You can also use Markdown cells to add text, documentation, and explanations to your notebook. Markdown cells allow you to create rich text content to explain your code and results. Google Colab automatically saves your work in Google Drive. You can also share your notebooks with others for collaboration. Use the File menu to save your notebook and share it by clicking Share or generating a shareable link. Google Colab provides access to a wide range of Python libraries and packages, making it a versatile environment for data analysis, machine learning, and more. You can install additional libraries using pip or pip install within a code cell. One of the major advantages of Google Colab is access to powerful GPUs and TPUs for accelerated computing. You can change the hardware accelerator in Colab by going to Runtime, change runtime type, and selecting the desired GPU or TPU. You can easily upload data files to Google Colab and access them in your code. Use the Files tab on the left to upload and manage data files. Once uploaded, you can read and manipulate them in your code. You can export your Colab notebooks in various formats. Go to File, go to Download to export your notebook in your preferred format. In this tutorial, we've covered the basics of setting up and using Google Colab to run Python code in the cloud. Google Colab offers a convenient and powerful environment for a wide range of Python programming tasks. With Google Colab, you have access to a versatile tool that can help you with data analysis, machine learning, and more. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to set up Google Colab to run Python code, and stay tuned for more Python tutorials. See you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel.